Hello everybody, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys how I work with Zoev and Glam and Glitz acrylic, and we are going to do a acrylic 3D flowers. Sorry for all that shaking, guys. I was setting up my phone. I was having a bit of a trouble with the holder. So to work with Zoev acrylics, you want to make sure that you are tapping a few times into your powder, and then you're placing it on the nail. You want to let it sit for a few seconds, and then you're going to wipe your brush, and then you're going to go in with some more monomer and pat it into place. You do not want to pull the Zoev acrylic, you just want to pat it into place. It is a dryer system, so again, you pick up your bead by tapping into the powder a few times, place it down, wipe off your brush, then go and get a bit more liquid and start patting that acrylic into place. It does not work well when you pull it or swipe it. You want to make sure that you are patting it into place, and then I find it super easy to work with. I am using the not polished monomer, and I'm also going to be doing the Glam and Glitz acrylic as well. So again, you guys see how I place it on the nail, and then I'm patting it into place. I'm not pulling. Super easy to work with this acrylic. I really love this color. This color is called Sky, and again, this is from Zoev, and I am using the not polished monomer. I'm using a number 16 brush. This is Cad's brush. I got it from Amazon, and yeah. So these are really easy acrylic nails, you guys. Again, we are using the Zoev and Glam and Glitz acrylic. And then I'm going to show you guys how we apply a glitter acrylic. And then we're going to do how we apply 3D flowers. So here I'm doing a glitter French nail. I just basically carved out that blue with the Zoev acrylic, and then I'm going around it with the Glam and Glitz color. Really pretty, really easy glitter French. And then I'm going to apply a full nail of this beautiful glitter color from Glam and Glitz. It's a really pretty black glittery color, and it has some hollow flakes in there as well. I really like this color. And I noticed that Glam and Glitz was a bit of a wetter system, so if you're working with glitter acrylics, I think that they like to be laid on wet. And then now I'm getting some lint here off of the hand. I'm going in with some top coat, and I'm giving it a nice even top coat here. And then we're going to go in with a builder gel, or you can use a jewelry gel, anything you guys would like. And we're going to adhere some stones on here. I recently started using iGel Beauty's jewelry gel. It's really nice. So you can apply that stuff right on top or underneath. I like to do underneath your top coat. But here I'm going to show you guys also how to chrome nails. So super easy. You take your no wipe top coat. You guys saw that I did there. And then you take a sponge applicator like I did, dip it into your chrome, and you rub it over those nails. And then you're going to get a beautiful chrome effect. This is a chrome powder from HCS Nail Art. You can find them on Instagram. And after you apply the chrome onto the nail with the sponge, you want to make sure you go over it with a nice thick layer of top coat and cure that. So now we are on to the 3D acrylic nail art, you guys. I'm taking a really small bead of the Zoev acrylic, and because this is a dryer system, I think it is easier to do 3D nail art with. So I picked up my first bead, and then I let it sit for a minute, and then I'm going in and just pressing the center of that bead, and then moving my brush from side to side to kind of open up those petals for the 3D nail art. So I'm doing that here on both sides, on top and bottom, to create the petals for our flower. And if you're not working with the dryer system, you want to make sure either way that you are waiting in between at least like a minute or so in between petals, because the most important thing with 3D art is like the texture that the petals get on them. Otherwise, it just look like like pancaked acrylic. So you want to make sure that one petal is semi or almost completely dry before you move on to the other. So here you can see I'm just applying that onto the nail. And because this is a dry acrylic, I just added a little bit of more monomer to my brush, and then that helped. Now for the center of the petal, you guys see I just placed a smaller bead of acrylic in there, and then I took the tip of the brush and I kind of moved it in circular motions, and that gives you the perfect center for your flower. So here I'm doing the same thing, you guys, and what I did is I did an ombre effect here on the flower. So I dipped in an ombre, a glitter effect. So I dipped in the Zoev acrylic. After I picked up my bead, I just dipped it into a dark blue glitter, and that will give you a really, really pretty effect for your 3D nail art. Again, these are 3D flowers. So I basically picked up my pearl of acrylic and then I dipped that directly into a glitter, and I think that gave a really, really pretty effect. I only did that on the first finger. You guys are going to see the glitter here, and it's a really, really pretty effect. So don't be afraid to experiment with your 3D nail art with 3D flowers. I think everything comes out really, really pretty, and everybody's is super individual and unique, and there's no really wrong way to do it. Everybody's comes out differently. The best tip I have that has worked for me is just to be patient, because you want to make sure that, again, that the 3D petals have texture on them. That's what makes them really come to life, and that happens when your acrylic is at a more drier point, when it's not so moldable. So yeah, just be patient with it. And here we are going in with the center, again, just going around with the tip of my brush and going in little circular motions. That gets the perfect center for your 3D acrylic flowers. So I really, really like these, you guys. They are super, super pretty. And of course, I didn't cap these because this is just for my practice hand, but if you guys were working on yourself or on a client, of course you do want to cap these. So now I'm going in with the iGel Beauty Jewelry Gel, and I'm using this to adhere some really large crystals that I got from AliExpress. And then I'm also going to use these pointy back crystals right in the center of these flowers, and then I'm going to be using some caviar beads to go up kind of like in a swooshy design. I thought that was a really, really pretty look. Alright, you guys, and that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed these acrylic nails. We worked with Zoev, Glam and Glitz, and we did 3D acrylic nail art and some chrome. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.